How to remove the send email button from your Facebook page profile. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can exactly remove this send email button from your Facebook page. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Facebook, and from here if you tap on the menu icon you will get an option to switch to your page. So just tap on it and switch to your page profile. Now once you're here, head over to the menu section of your page and tap on the name of your page to open your profile. And from here you can tap on these three dots. Here you will see an option to edit action button, but if you're new to the page you will get to add the action button right somewhere down here as well. But if you don't see it, you are going to have to head over here, and once you tap on your action buttons you will see that there are actually two buttons. So the messages option is by default added by your Facebook, and the email you can remove it if you want. So just tap on edit buttons and just unselect the email option, and once you do that you can tap on save. And now once you remove it, it has successfully been saved. Now if you check and tap on your profile and view as, now as you can see there is only option to like and there is no option to send an email. And that's how you easily remove your email button on your Facebook page. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one.